Alright, so this is the video for the BMW 328 water pump swap. So the requirement will be to remove the intake that goes on top. This is all connected to it. There's a clip like this you need to remove so that it disengages from the intakes. Alright, after that, the very main thing that you need to do is take off the belt. All right, this is the belt. This is the idler pulley. You have to spin it counterclockwise. And then you have to remove the EGR cooler in order to get to the water pump. This is the water pump. This is where the thermostat will go. I will show you the new one and why the EGR cooler has to be removed in order for you to do the swap. So this is the brand new water pump. All right, so set that down. All right, so this bolt, this bolt, this bolt, this bolt, this bolt is easily accessible. You are able to do that without removing the EGR cooler. You have to remove the EGR cooler in order to access this bolt. This is just how BMW engineers make their stuff. Example, when you have to do a coolant pipe swap, because these things are plastic, they will break. You have to remove this entire intake. I forgot the number of bolts exactly. Only once you have removed it will you be able to access the third bolt on this coolant pipe. All right, connector. Anyways, all right, so in order for you to do the the water pump, you have to get to this bolt, which is blocked off by this EGR. All right, like that, right? You are unable to remove it because all of this is blocking it. Okay, so I'm trying to do this video as soon as possible. So this comes out, all right, and so does this. Okay, in order for you to do a delete of the EGR cooler, that is beneficial for a lot of diesel cars, I attempted to remove the EGR cooler from the the exhaust manifold itself, and what I have realized now is that you don't need to do that. You can just actually pull it once you've removed all of that, and then you can access that bolt. Okay, just a meta visual video for you guys. I'm going to attempt to do a delete of that EGR cooler. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to try and get a block off plate for this on the exhaust manifold side, a block off plate for the intake side, and what I'm going to do is instead of blocking off these two cooler lines, what I'm going to attempt to do is I'm going to reroute it so that they still continue to cycle throughout the engine. I also want to show you how the thermostat looks like. It just goes in like that. So right, this is usually what breaks it. Usually because when it stops working, it will get brittle from the heat and it will break. Okay. Yep, you put it in like that and you just kind of push everything in back. Okay. So this is the coolant line connectors that is in front of the thermostat, and the thermostat will go in, you know, as is, like that, right? Terrible, one hand. Whatever. Anyways, it basically just fits. Okay. Yeah, there we go. It basically will fit. Okay. Just some nuts and bolts that you need to remove. All right, so that you're aware. I think this one is just for like a shroud or something. Just a heads up. All right.